Are your videos stuck under 500 views no matter what you post? You're not doing anything wrong, okay? You're just missing out a few key steps that can actually change everything for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to break past that 500 thick wall, okay? That 500 view thick wall, okay? And start growing faster than you can imagine. It's simpler than you think, guys. It's not complicated. So let's just dive right into it, okay? Now, as a new creator on YouTube, the first thing for you to take note of is that the YouTube algorithm is still getting to know you. And this could actually be why you're not getting past the 500 views threshold, okay? The algorithm is still getting to know you. You are very new on the platform. And even if you're not so new, you still need to prove yourself by posting and gathering engagements, gathering your own audience, establishing your own presence. Do you understand me? This is the only way the algorithm will get to know you and say, oh, so now we understand this creator and what they are here to do on our platform, and start pushing you out accordingly. Do you understand? So the algorithm is still getting to know you. Don't get it twisted. Don't be disappointed. Don't be tired. Just give it time to get to understand everything that basically has to do with your channel. Now, the second thing you need to know is having a good and properly optimized title and thumbnail, okay? Now, this is very important, okay? Because the truth is that if nobody is clicking in your videos, it doesn't matter how good that video is. It will just ruin that content, okay? Because honestly, the two biggest things that drive clicks to your videos are your thumbnails and your titles, okay? So if, for instance, maybe you're into vlogging and you did a vlog video, maybe you went on a beach and you titled it "My Trip to the Beach," right? That kind of title is okay, but it's not really grab attention so much. Instead of trying something like, let's say, I almost got arrested on vacation. Are you seeing the difference? This last title sparks curiosity. So people want to know what you did and why it was almost resulting you being arrested. Do you understand me? So there should be curiosity in your title because people want to know what happened, how you were able to escape what happened, or that you almost got arrested. Do you understand? So titles and thumbnails actually play a very good role in your videos because it will drag audience if it's well presented and optimized, okay? It's the same thing with thumbnails. So when you are creating a thumbnails, use contrast bold text. Do you understand? Something that people can easily read, a color that people can easily see and understand, and your face showing the emotion in your thumbnails, okay? Now make sure your picture that you're adding to your thumbnail is actually expressing and explaining the kind of emotions in your video title or your video's content, okay? Just make people curious about your videos generally through your thumbnails and your titles. Do you understand me? Now, the next thing that can also make you not get past 500 views is your retention, your audience retention. Audience retention matters a lot because on YouTube, watch time is what matters more. So now, if people click on your videos, they are clicking and watching, maybe they drop off in the first 30 seconds, YouTube will stop recommending that video and you will not get past that 500 views that you're looking for. That's if you even get up to 500 views. Now, how do you fix that? You start with a strong hook. Okay, you start with a strong hook to hold your audience back. That's how you fix audience retention. When you start your video with a long hook, you cut all of the fluffs and all of the long talk. Just let people know what they will get by sticking around in that video. Do you understand? No long introductions, no begging for subs up front or doing irrelevant things. And then you will see that people will stay and want to know what you are going to talk about in that particular video. Do you understand my point? So just get to the point and grab your audience. And if you're able to retain your audience, you will get more than 500 views. Now, the next thing you should know that can actually make you not get up to that 500 views is your posting routine. Okay, so if you're posting randomly, please stop it because it cannot really help you. So you can use tools like TubeBuddy or your YouTube Studio to find out when your audience is online, okay? And then you post during that time because on YouTube, timing matters as well. But if you're a new creator and your time graph is not showing inside your YouTube Studio yet, you can actually use your country time, like when your viewers are online in your country, when they are active and awake to watch your videos. Keep doing it like that back to back till YouTube give you your own time graph. Do you understand? Of all of your subscribers, both in your country and outside your country, of when they are active and ready to watch your videos. Do you understand? So do it that way and you'll be getting views. Now, the next thing you're supposed to do to pass this 500 views tick wall is for you to use your community post. When you create a video, please share it to your community tab using the share button. Okay, click on the share button just like you're seeing in my screen right now, and share it to your community. Let it show in your post so that when viewers are scrolling through YouTube posts and your own pops up, they will be able to see it. Just imagine they were not online when you posted that particular video, or the notifications came to their phone, but it went off because of other plenty notifications and all of that. So when they come across it in your community tab, they will be able to watch your video. Do you understand? So this way, you have dragged views from people that were not even aware you created a new video. Do you understand? So this is very helpful. I always do it for my videos. If you check my tab, you will see it. Now, the next thing you should do is give YouTube a reason to recommend your videos. Okay, the YouTube algorithm is not angry with you, it's just picky. Do you understand me? If viewers are actually watching your videos all the way through, like to the very end, and they are clicking on another video and subscribing to your videos, to your channel, liking your videos and dropping comment, then your video will be pleasing to the YouTube algorithm. So it will not say, oh, so people like these videos, let's push it to another user, and that's when your views start climbing. Okay, do you understand? Your views will start popping, coming up. Another thing you should do to pass that 500 views is to interact with your comment sections. Okay, a lot of people neglect this a lot. This is your subscribers or your viewers getting to know you or getting to interact with you, and if you ignore them, they might likely just go off your channel and not even come back. But if you reply to them, mention them by their name and tell them, oh, answer their questions, tell them thank you for their contributions, they would want to do it again, and then you keep getting views from them. Do you understand? It's vice versa. While you're helping your audience is helping you. Everybody is helping each other grow on YouTube. Do you understand? So reply to your audience, and if you find this video helpful since I've been talking, drop a comment for me and I'll reply to you as well, as my dear audience. Something else I would also like to state out is, while you are thinking of quantity, also add quality to your videos. Okay, while you are thinking of quantity as a creator that's growing, also add a little quality to your videos. Don't just come here and drop any half video or drop any videos or any sort of videos that you want because you say you are growing. You can as well still pimp it a little. Okay, just still pimp it up a little. Make sure it still looks, it still has quality, even if the quantity is more at that initial stage. Do you understand? Still make sure you package it, your presentation is improving actually on every upload that you make. Think of quantity but add quality to it as well, so that your videos will be enticing to your audience. Okay, and lastly, something I would like to tell you, it could be that the YouTube algorithm forgets. Sometimes it's algorithm glitch. Okay, it could be a glitch of the system. Probably the algorithm forgot to recommend your videos. Don't worry, it will kick up. Okay, just keep posting and keep doing the right things. If you've been stuck under 500 views, then please take actions on one of these things I've listed today, and then come back and tell me in the comments what changed. If you want a full breakdown how to create clickable thumbnails and titles, you can check out my other videos using this playlist. The link will be in the description as well. You can either click on this playlist or check the link, all right, in my description. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's grow our channel together, guys. Bye for now.